Hey friends, I'm here just with this Jorest bracelet, watch bracelet, or watch link removal tool. I'm going to be adding a link to my Citizen Nighthawk here. And I'm going to press these out. So the thing I love about this is you can elevate the base here. So I'm just going to set this in here. I already kind of have the height set. I just did it with the, I did. There we go. What I like about it is just how big the threads are. I don't need, little tiny threads to take forever to put it all back together. So yeah, so real easy to pop out a link. And then I'm going to just, these are those little split pins, which kind of annoying, but they work. Not my favorite. Never had one pop out on me though, so there's that. So the biggest time consumer is just trying to get the height set right, honestly. So there we go. And we're done. So pretty great. Oh, I wasn't showing you that. So all set there. Yeah, so big fan of this thing. This is probably my favorite one of these. You can also, I could have set the bracelet, in the slot here to reset the pin as well. You can also finish popping the pin out by putting it through this hole, kind of lining it up over that hole and tapping it out with one of the a smaller tool if you want to. So yeah, it's got a lot of options and I think it's just super quick. This is my favorite one that I've had. There you go.